Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is the integral. We have the integral of 1 over the square root of x minus 1 plus the square root of x dx. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. We need to multiply with the square root of x minus 1 minus the square root of x. So in here we have a plus b and we have a minus b in here. So you got about a square minus b square and you will get about x minus 1 minus x. So we have x minus x, you will go about negative 1 in here. And now we can get the final result. We put the negative in here. Next, in this one we can change about x minus 1 to the power of 1 over 2. And in here we can change x to the power of 1 over 2. And now we can get the final result. We have the negative we put in here. And we have x minus 1 to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1. Denominator we have 1 over 2 plus 1. Because we have the negative and we have another negative, so you got about positive. And we have the constant is about c. 1 over 2 is about 3 over 2. And we have the same one in here. So we have 1 over 3 over 2, you got about 2 over 3 in here. And this is the final result. That's the end. Thank you for watching.